Just short video to show you the condition of this Dyson V6 Trigger Pro cordless vacuum cleaner. This serial number is FP9-UK-HFA54005A. So it comes with a crevice tool, a replacement brand new power supply, a Dyson motorised rotary brush, and the actual unit. The filter has been put through the washing machine and cleaned, the head's been cleaned, and the bin's been cleaned. This unit has a brand new 4000 mAh battery as pictured here. To charge it, simply plug it in, the blue light will come on. When it goes off or goes green, it's charged. To use, it has two modes. One's economy mode, which is that mode. Now if you press the button on the back, it will go into boost mode. This does drain the battery and the battery doesn't last as long. To empty the bin, simply place this over a bin, bag, etc. and pull down. I don't know if I could do it one-handed. Yes, I can, there, on that lever, and then just tip the rubbish out. I'll show you it working quickly. I do have other V6s for sale, animals, V8 as well. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please ask.